Hello guys, so today is the Bear update, and we're gonna take the early bird. I'm at somebody's house, so yeah, in 3 minutes there's early bird, and we're about to hit 150 trillion. Let's go. W, man, W. I like 150 trillion. I'll just play voice after 3 minutes. 3 minutes. Yeah, 3 minutes. 3 minutes! 3 minutes!
Treno struzzo turbo 3000.
So guys, okay, early bird time. Meet you all on early bird. Guys, it's been literally more than 30 seconds. Sammy, where are you? Sammy! I need the early bird! Sammy! Guys, it's been cyber mutation and still no early bird. Sammy, where are you, bro? Bro, it's been literally 2 hours since I'm standing here. Not standing, playing. I'm just kidding. I joined in 6 minutes. 1 hour 6 minutes. No! This is Aura early bird right now. Oh, yes, I do, Log.
Lucky block.
Bro, that's for a clip. And the secret
Lucky
let's
block.
see what we get in 30 minutes. In 30 minutes, I will make a short or a video. Let's first take, a job. Who needs a job? I'm not taking that. I'm selling that.
Los lucky blocks. Los lucky blocks.
Let me take every lucky one. Every lucky one. For my brother, for me. Yeah. He's not playing anime.
Lucky block.
Okay, guys, let me take the all lucky block, then I'll meet you. Nobody said that. Nobody said that. No, nobody said that. No, that is disrespectful, man.
Lucky block. Lucky block. Job, sahur.
Okay, guys. Restore our lucky blocks and let's overform. 2 lucky blocks, last one enemies, or 4 last final enemies. What? No.